Gilbride Teenage has an after-school Folklorico Club. Teenage after-school Folklorico Club takes place in After School Excel. It is run by third grade teacher Miss Gilbride, seventh grader Iris Martinez, and they recently had a performance for Cinco de Mayo. We interviewed Iris, Miss Gilbride, and some of the kids in Folklorico. What is your favorite thing about Folklorico?
For me personally, it's just like getting to do all the skirt work and doing all the steps.
How long have you been doing it?
Probably around like 4 years, I'm pretty sure. I started when I was 8. I'm 13 now, so 5 maybe.
What was your favorite dance or move?
Probably el todo or zapateado.
What is your favorite memory?
It was probably when I danced at Universal's Knott's Berry Farm and Disneyland.
Why do you do it?
Cause it's fun. I get to hang out with my friends, and it's a good exercise.
What is your favorite thing about Folklorico?
With Folklorico, I really love bringing back the history of the Hispanic culture and also dressing up dressing up and representing our history.
How long have you been doing it?
I used to dance Folklorico when I was a child. I started at 8 years old, and I stopped doing it when I was about 13 years old professionally. But and then I just started this year again because I wanted to teach it.
What is your favorite dance or move?
My favorite dance is the Veracruz. I love La Bamba because of the fact that you're you have to do quick steps and you have to move really really fast your feet, but you also get to have this beautiful white dress, and I always fell in love with that one.
What is your favorite memory?
My favorite memory is that I had the honor of dancing at the mariachi conference in Tucson to about, I would say, 12,000 students. And I got to learn from the profesores from Mexico. But the fact that I was at the TCC performing as a child was just a beautiful time.
Why do you do it?
I Number one, I see that we don't have it at Sahuarita, and I just thought it's a talent that I have and that I love. And just seeing that in Mexico, they actually do the dances there. And I was like, why we could do it in our community. And I just love seeing the joys with the families and the students.
My favorite thing is that I get to dance with my friends.
My favorite thing is that we do like things with my friends.
My favorite thing is that we do viejitos. What favorite memory is when we did the performance and I had lots of fun.
Me too. Had fun.
The same with me was the performance.
We do zapateado.
My favorite thing about Folklorico is zapateado too.
When we present the dances.
When we do like shows. Everything Folklorico is dancing. What is your when we had the toro mango?
My favorite thing about Folklorico is 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 having energy, getting your energy out, running around, like dancing and stuff like that. My favorite memory is when I accidentally fold on the ground. That was just funny and embarrassing. Jarabe Tapatío and El Toro.
What is your favorite memory?
When everybody fell.
I love doing zapateado and the cucaracha. What is your favorite memory?
The performance.